Ever pondered why some people seem to achieve their dreams effortlessly, while others seem stuck in a never-ending cycle of wishful thinking? The answer often lies in the art of setting clear, achievable goals. Goals, much like the North Star, guide us through the tumultuous sea of life. They provide a sense of direction, a roadmap to our desired destination. But how does one set these guiding stars? The process of setting goals begins with clear visualization. Picture the end result, the pinnacle of success, as vividly as possible. It's not merely about thinking, I want to write a book. It's about visualizing the finished manuscript, the smell of the freshly printed pages, and the feeling of accomplishment. Visualization brings the goal to life, making it tangible and real. Next, break down the dream into bite-sized, manageable chunks. For instance, if the dream is to write that book, the first step could be to write a single page each day. This approach, often termed micro-goaling, makes the task less daunting and more achievable. Following this, set a clear timeline. Time is the heartbeat of goal setting. Without a deadline, a goal is nothing more than a wish floating in the ether of ambiguity. A timeline creates urgency, a sense of purpose, and a rhythm that keeps one moving forward. Then, make the goal measurable. Progress or the lack thereof can only be assessed if the goal is quantifiable. If the goal is to write a book, measure progress by the number of pages or chapters completed. This allows for adjustments to the plan and maintains momentum. Finally, commit to the goal. Commitment breeds consistency, and consistency breeds success. Write the goal down, put it somewhere visible, and make it a daily reminder of the journey ahead. In summary, setting goals is a 5-step process. First, visualize the goal to make it real. Second, break the goal into manageable chunks. Third, set a clear timeline to create urgency. Fourth, make the goal measurable to track progress. And fifth, commit to the goal to foster consistency. Remember, goals are not just about reaching a destination. They are about the journey. They are about growth, learning, and progress. So set those goals, chase those dreams, and embark on the incredible journey of self-improvement.